and the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos, blog posts, and newsletter, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. The description will be in the comment section below. And I also have a new planner for the 2024 year. It's the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. Details about the planner will be in the description box below. So welcome to day 8 of the VLOGMAS 2023 challenge. Today I'm actually on my way to the McGannon showroom for their Christmas party. I'm looking forward to this event and looking at all the new vendors and their items for Christmas. So stay tuned. Let's go to this event. So McGannon Showrooms is located in the Dallas Design District, actually on the Decorative Center on Highline Drive. So first when you enter, there were a nice little charcuterie board set up and also with some nice fine beverages. So the way everything was set up was they wanted you to go around and meet several of the vendors and get some information about some of the product lines and some of the new things, and just basically just to kind of make you aware of some of the vendors that were there. So we walked around, and you were supposed to get signatures for at least 5 of the vendors. When I say we, I mean me and my sister. She actually came with me. She's my sister / eagle twin / design assistant. Now what's so funny is when we got there, they were actually wanted me to do an interview, and not just me, any other designers, but I did an interview for their channel. So that was interesting. They just asked me a few questions about, you know, what I do, my interior design business, also, you know, what am I doing now, and I was explaining to them that I'm really more now into the social media and influencing. And then of course I had to plug my book, my planner. So I told them about the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner, and I actually gave a planner to them to give away as one of the gifts. So I was really looking forward to seeing who was going to win that, but we ended up leaving. We didn't stay as long as we could have, but it was really nice. It was just a nice little impromptu interview. And like I always say, you have to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So that was interesting. So afterwards, after the interview, we walked around a little bit more, saw some of the other vignettes from the other vendors that are all at the McGannon showrooms. I mean, these items are there constantly. They do change out the showrooms, but you know, these pieces are beautiful. Now this particular set, I forgot who the product line was, but I just love this whole little girly section with, you know, the colors and the flowers, and like this right here with those pillows, that was simply beautiful. So I do love this whole open area right here. You know, in the showroom, like everything is for sale, from the rugs to the lamps, the window treatments, the accent chairs. You know, everything is for sale, and everything is just simply stunning. You can see all of the beautiful pieces, all of the beautiful artwork, the frame art. I mean, everything is stunning. And you know, most of these pieces are custom. There are a ton, if not everything is like custom pieces. And the chairs and the lounge chairs, the chase lounges and everything is completely beautiful. So I did enjoy just going through and taking pictures, because I actually hadn't been in McGannon's in a few years. So it was really nice to go through and look at these pieces, look at the beautiful pillows, look at the beautiful lamps, and basically just get a feel of everything. And I know you're thinking, well, maybe certain pieces aren't your style, but you can actually create whatever style you wanted. So one of the one of the lines that was there that I really liked was Theodore Alexander, and I just love their pieces, and everything is, you know, customizable. You can create your own desk, your own table, your own credenza, and just look at all of these beautiful finished pieces. I mean, it's simply gorgeous. Now, one of my favorite pieces was this desk right here. I mean, it's beautiful, and it has the acrylic on the side, and then also the acrylic draw pulls. Simply stunning. I love it. So that's one of the best things about, you know, working with an interior designer and going to a showroom, having an option to get custom items. Like this is also a custom item as well, that credenza, and it's long, and I mean, it's so chic. I love it. Completely love it. This is another vendor that I really haven't had any experience with this one, but
I love all of the wood tones that you can pick. I mean, you can get basically whatever you want. It's more than just light or dark wood. The finishes are simply gorgeous. Just look at all of those. Look at the towels. Just look at that. It's completely gorgeous. And then also, you know, of course, you can pick your colors. They have products with Sherwin-Williams paint. So I actually love them. They were great. And that's my evil twin sister right there, looking at some of the fabrics from the representatives. So, you know, they gave us a lot of good information. Now, last but not least, we did go outside and looked at some of the outdoor materials. Now, even though it says it's outside, you can use these items for your inside. So if these pieces can withhold the outside elements, you know, the rain, the cold, the heat, they're definitely going to withstand in your home. So these fabrics, these, you know, outside grade fabrics for your patio furniture, I mean, they're stunning. You don't have to just get plain simple stuff. Look at these different patterns. I mean, these could be your cushions. I mean, they can basically be anything you want. So I loved everything, just even planning your outdoors. And these are some beautiful colors, beautiful fabrics, beautiful finishes. So, you know, you can't just decorate your outdoor without you can't just decorate your indoor without your outdoor. So, like I said, we had a good time just looking at everything, feeling the fabrics, feeling the different finishes, and that is it. We was there for maybe 2 hours. We ate, we drank, we had a good time. So now this is me and my evil twin sister. So thank you all for watching this video. We had a blast. It was just a wonderful experience. Thank you. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and have a divine day. Goodbye.